Tired of being chained to your desk? I'm going to show you how to break free and control your entire PC from the comfort of your Android phone. First up, we're diving into TeamViewer, a powerhouse for remote access. Head over to TeamViewer's website on your PC and download the TeamViewer application. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Launch TeamViewer on your PC. After installing, you'll see your ID and password displayed. Keep these handy, as you'll need them shortly. Now, grab your Android phone and head to the Google Play Store. Search for TeamViewer QuickSupport and install the app. Open the QuickSupport app on your phone, enter the your ID shown on your PC's TeamViewer, and tap Remote Control, then input the password from the PC, and tap OK. Boom! You now have full control of your PC from your phone. You can use your finger to control the mouse, and the keyboard will pop up when needed. Next, let's look at Chrome Remote Desktop, a web browser-based alternative. On your PC, open the Chrome browser and search for the Chrome Remote Desktop extension in the Chrome Web Store. Install the Chrome Remote Desktop extension, then set it up. On your Android phone, download and install the Chrome Remote Desktop app from the Google Play Store. Open the app, sign into your Google account, and tap on your PC to connect. You're now remotely controlling your computer with Chrome Remote Desktop. Both TeamViewer and Chrome Remote Desktop offer easy-to-use interfaces, enabling you to work on files, launch applications, or manage your system just as if you were sitting right in front of it.